Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to link to another Reels on Instagram Reel. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Once opened, you can go to your Instagram profile or click on the plus button. Go ahead and upload your Instagram Reel. Now click on next. Now click on link a reel. Then it should say all your reels. Go ahead and select the reel you want to link to. Then give the reel a title. You can also change the reel. And then click on the check mark. Now it should say this particular reel is linked to another reel. It should say link to reel. Go ahead and click on the share button. And once you share this particular reel, this is going to link to the reel. This is going to link to the reel beneath the description. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to link to reel on Instagram. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.